Good afternoon, everybody. This is Chris with Carolina Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram again. And today I'm going to show you probably my new favorite truck. It's the 2019 Dodge Ram Rebel. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Now if you come around the front here, I'm going to show you all these Rebels stand apart because of this molded front end. You can always look at a Rebel and tell that it's different from a Rebel from another Ram because of this look. This truck was made for the off-road. This truck has the tow hooks. It has an underbelly skid plate on it. It's the only Dodge Ram Rebel. The Rebel comes with these Goodyear Wrangler. They're very, very decent traction. They've got the side grooves. You can actually take this, I wouldn't mind taking this right down on the beach. If you walk in here, you're gonna notice too, you've got your turn signal on the outside. Now this truck is considered, it's black crystal pearl, diamond black crystal pearl, which that in the sunlight, everything glitters. It's a beautiful, beautiful truck. You come around here to the back of the truck, one thing I want to show you, it's got a backup camera, obviously. It's got dual exhaust. It's got the hitch and everything. This, as with all the Rams now, this tailgate is aluminum tailgate. This is nice and light. Anybody can open it. Anybody can close it. Look, I'm doing it with one finger. Just push and you're good to go. You're gonna come around the side again and we're gonna just take a peek on the inside of this. First, I'm gonna start with the back. I want to show you right here, this comes with heavy duty rubber floor mats. These are deep floor mats. They hold all the mud, any dirt, anything like that if you're going off-road. One cool thing about the Dodge Ram and the Rebel here is this storage. There's storage on both sides. It's in the cab of the truck. A lot of guys are running with chains and whatnot, especially if you're going to buy an off-road truck or some straps. That's a perfect area to put them. One thing this truck also does, as with the other Rams, with the other Dodges, you can fold this seat up. You have storage underneath the seat here, and you have storage underneath the seat there. This is just a one easy push up and down. There is also multiple entertainment ports for your USBs, all your charging ports. This is actually an inverter. It's a 400 watt normal house power. You can plug anything in there if you're working, sometimes you bring a powered cooler for the off-road, for when you're going to the beach. You can have that plugged in, it'll work just fine. Come around the front, you're going to notice something that stands out with all these Rebels. All these Rebels have this dark maroon and black leather. It's a cross between leather and sport cloth. This is sport cloth. It's the whole interior. These red accents are beautiful. And if you look, something different on the Rebels. There's a tire tread pattern in each one of these seats. It looks really cool. Just a quick overview of a glance on the inside. This right here is your touch screen. This is huge. It reminds me of an iPad. You just push a button. When the truck is running, you can split screen, have your navigation, have your radio controls, you can access everything there. This whole center console slides. You have extra storage down here. You have something that's really cool for a cell phone on all the Dodges now. Take this, and you can slide your cell phone right there. And then that's not going to bounce around. And if anybody knows, as well as I do, you have a $1,000 cell phone, guess what? You don't want to drop it and break it. So I like to keep as much kind of hidden as I can. You have an under the console storage here. You also have a little safety storage area here for like loose change and paperwork and whatnot. And you have another USB plug. So you have USB plugs there, multiple USB and auxiliary outlets everywhere in this truck. This truck makes it very, very computer friendly, very, very electronically friendly. If you look here, this will open up. I'm going to open that up on the other side really quick. I'm just going to hit my power to start my vehicle. Has push button start. Now I'm just going to push my screen. I'm opening my screen. It's a huge panoramic moonroof. Can do the front all the way to the back. Now, that I had people ask me today about, do they want to trade their Jeep in, get rid of the Jeep and get into a Rebel. They like their Jeep because they can open the roof. When I open this panoramic moonroof, it is incredible. I could literally stand up. 2 people could stand up inside of there. This is just a brief overview of these new Rebels. Personally, I'm in love with this truck. I love this truck. I've been at different dealerships prior, and I've seen the competitors' machines, and the problem that I've seen from other competitors that I've sold personally is the normal person cannot purchase one, cannot afford one. You have to order these. These Rebels, you and I, the normal person can order a Rebel. We have 5 of them on the lot right now. We have black, we have white, we have dark gray, we have, well, granite. You can have this off-road machine as soon as tonight or tomorrow. So that's just something I wanted to let you know. This vehicle has got the Hemi, the 5.7 Hemi in it. When you step on the gas, this vehicle is incredible. I've driven it myself. I personally really, really like it. So why don't you come out and see me? Again, this is Chris, and I'm with Carolina Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.